Hey Steph, what's up, baby girl? I wanted to show you this. I thought it might be easier for when you do log in to 10x. You should be able to get logged in. Since our accounts are a bit, we're kind of sharing it, which will work really well. You'll see some have a record owner of Stephanie and some are Aaron. This is just my Tahoe Realtor list. So, in the upper left, just kind of think about what actions you're trying to take. So let's say you want to go in and you want to call the Diamond Spring leads that have come in recently to see if you can get any buyers. These are filters up here, this button. Click on Diamond Springs campaign, and it's going to filter out for you just the Diamond Spring leads. So there's been 18 of these leads that have come in, and you can see the milestone. A lot of these haven't been contacted. Heather said, "Don't contact me." Couple have had little made contacts here and there. But if you were to click on this right here, I'm going to show you and then stop it. It's going to take you to the next one that you should. So it's calling Tammy right now, assuming you're wearing your headset. Right down here, it's going to pop up. I just canceled it. And then you would go through. Now you're looking at it. It's from Facebook. So all we really know is Tammy. We have a phone number. We have an email. So you call, you can either drop a voicemail, you can pre-record a voicemail. I can help you do that. And then when you're talking to them, let's say Tammy's like, "Hey, I want a two-bedroom." You can enter all that right there by clicking on that. Obviously, you can put in notes. Anytime you call from 10x, it's going to check. It'll kind of log it. And I have some filters in here that'll kind of help you. I'll show you. It'll kind of, if you actually start utilizing it with some level of frequency, there's some filters where you can just kind of, it'll tell you who to call on certain days. It's kind of a good practice to get into kind of so these are Roseville leads, but, and you can do this again for Roseville. You can also do your sphere. These are the people that we imported the other day. There's 330 in your personal sphere. If you ever did want to call them, you could cycle through and do check-in calls or anything. But in a nutshell, when you ever want to hop in, it's just Diamond Springs campaign. You got 18 leads, and you would just click right there to start calling. From right here, you can email all of them too. You could very easily, email all of them. So yeah, and I mean, as an example, these ones are new. These last two just came in. I just imported them. I'm working on the integration. It's acting kind of weird, but anyway, that's where you are with 10x. All of your spheres in there. It's very easy to email all of them, text them, etc. So